Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs no oil. Whisk 2 to 3 eggs with 1 tablespoon water or milk and salt, then preheat a non-stick pan on low heat. Pour eggs in and stir gently with a silicone spatula, continually folding curds toward the center. Cook slowly to keep moisture in, remove a touch early for creamy texture, and rest briefly before serving for best results. Pick the right liquid to control texture and flavor when making no-oil scrambled eggs. Water gives the lightest, fluffiest curds, while milk or cream produces a richer, silkier result. Broth adds savory depth and can replace salt, and plant milks like soy give subtle taste differences. Measure about 1 tablespoon per 2 eggs and whisk until slightly frothy to incorporate air, which helps achieve consistent curds and tenderness. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that actually last, with a lifetime warranty and serious comfort, perfect for standing at the stove while you cook. I find them reliable and worth it for long kitchen sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Control heat and motion to get the texture you want without oil. Use a low-medium flame and a silicone spatula to stir slowly, folding eggs over themselves to form small, tender curds. If eggs look almost done, remove the pan from heat and keep stirring for residual warmth to finish cooking gently. This avoids dryness and gives glossy, creamy scrambled eggs that hold together without added fat or butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.